Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the mobile PowerPoint app and creating a new file. This is where your structure lives. Tap the plus or new presentation and pick a template if you want consistent design. Once done, name the file so you can find it later and set orientation if needed. Make sure to allow access to photos and files. That enables quick image insertion. If you prefer Google Slides, the steps are identical. Create, name, and choose template before adding content. Next, add and organize content on each slide. Tap plus slide to pick a layout and use the editor to type headings and bullets. Keep text concise for screens. Insert images or video from your device or cloud storage and resize with pinch gestures. Align with built-in guides. Use the formatting toolbar to change fonts, colors, and apply transitions between slides. Once slides are populated, use speaker notes for reminders and the slide master or theme to enforce consistent branding. To finish, preview the deck in present mode and step through animations and timings to ensure everything flows. Adjust any slide order and then export. Choose PPTX to preserve editability or PDF for universal viewing, and save to cloud or device. Share via link or attach an email directly from the app. If an image or video fails to play, relink it by reinserting from your device or cloud and confirm permissions. Reconnecting to Wi-Fi often resolves failed uploads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.